Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into an incredible cosmic event that's got the astronomy world buzzing. We're talking about a jaw-dropping 2 million mile per hour galactic smash-up in Stephan's quintet. So here's the scoop. Astronomers have just observed the galaxy NGC 7318b tearing through a cluster of galaxies known as Stephan's quintet. This isn't your average space collision. We're talking speeds that outpace a jet fighter by about 800 times. Just imagine the fastest jet you know. Multiply that by 800. Mind-blowing, right? Now, Stephan's quintet is a fascinating place. Discovered way back in 1877, it's a cosmic crossroads where galaxies have been crashing into each other for ages, leaving a chaotic field of debris. This recent collision has reignited activity in the quintet, creating a powerful shockwave akin to a massive sonic boom in space. A dedicated team of over 60 astronomers used the William Herschel telescope's WEAVE spectrograph in La Palma, Spain, to capture this event. They combined their findings with data from the James Webb Space Telescope and the low-frequency array to get a detailed look at the collision site. So, what did they find? As the shockwave from this cosmic crash moves through pockets of cold gas, it's powerful enough to rip electrons from atoms, leaving behind a glowing trail of plasma. But when it hits hot gas, it compresses it, generating radio waves that we can detect here on Earth. This observation gives us crucial insights into galaxy formation and evolution. It's like peering back in time to see how galaxies like our Milky Way were built through violent mergers over billions of years. Gavin Dalton from Oxford University praised the detail we've provided, calling it a remarkable perspective on galaxy formation. With future collaborations between ground-based telescopes and space telescopes like JWST, we're set to uncover even more cosmic secrets. So there you have it, a galactic crash at 2 million miles per hour, reigniting a cosmic crossroads. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space adventures. Until next time, keep looking up